Hey guys, Jason Castle, BassBoatElectronics.com, here for a weekly update, and we've got a special one for you. We're kicking off our blackout sale next Monday, the 22nd. We're really excited about it because we've stocked up on a ton of great product from Lowrance, Garmin, Humminbird. So now we've got some really exclusive deals to bring you on Monday. We're going to kick it off a little bit earlier than we normally do. Normally we have like a Black Friday deal, Cyber Monday. We're going to do a week earlier just for logistics of shipping and just to make it easier on you. So Monday the 22nd, it's November 22nd, Garmin's got their Livescope rebate that kicks off, and we've got a ton of great deals, so products. So mark your calendar, make sure you shop. We've got some really good deals, but quantities are going to be limited. So if you're in the market, you're going to want to jump on there and take advantage of that. We're also going to walk out in the shop and show you an F20 Predator that we just did a full install on that turned out extremely well. Customers are going to be really excited about that one. So make sure, save the date, blackout sale, November 22nd, BassBoatElectronics.com, and let's go take a look at this F20 Predator. And if you guys need anything, let us know. Solix 12 flush mounted and Lithium Pros 36 volt 65 amp per hour battery, power pole charge tucked in there in the back, a 12 volt 132 amp Lithium Pros 12 volt battery in there. Sucker is powerful. We're getting 12.8 volts all the way up on the front. We've got a Bass Boat Technologies dual mount up on the bow. Replaced the whole factory panel. Really clean. Switch panel came out, went back in. Dual stack mount, and of course we got a 15 Solix on the bottom and a Solix 10 on the top. Finished off with a MegaLive. That thing is sweet. MDI trolling motor, Mega360. We even got our rigid spotlight that we mounted on here. Ran the whole wire in, super clean install. Cables all the way up. Even got a DD26 jacket on it. Heading sensor, whole 9 yards. Turned out really, really well. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this weekly update video. Hope you enjoyed the full walkthrough on this F20 Predator install we just wrapped up. Completely decked out, bow to stern, Humminbird, awesome setup. Don't forget to check out our website. November 22nd starts our Blackout Sales Event. We've got some awesome products for you guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to us. BassBoatElectronics.com.